Welcome back. It is 7:26. You're watching BT Vancouver. Thanks for joining us. Time for your business news with Mike Eppel. And Mike, let's start with the price of oil. We are seeing a massive drop this morning.
Back to where it was in May when it was around $35 a barrel U.S., Mary. The price for oil has been crushed here under the weight of COVID-19. They've got lockdowns again in Germany and France. The global aviation industry certainly isn't using a lot of oil refined into jet fuel. People are still not driving what they used to. And it's all comes back to economic expectations in an oversupplied market. So oil over 2 days now has dropped close to 12%. We got earnings in this morning from Husky Energy. They lost $7 billion in the latest quarter. A lot of that was just writing down the value of their assets because they're not worth anywhere near what they were previously. Cenovus is buying Husky for $3.8 billion and talking about cutting 2,000 jobs. Suncor is, coming off a loss of $300 million. So the energy complex, which of course is super important to Alberta, but the Canadian economy in general has had the rug pulled out from under it this year, and it does not appear that it is going anywhere upward anytime soon.
Not if we are in our second wave. Okay, let's end with some positive news.
By the way, are we in the second wave or third wave? I heard this in the States yesterday. Third wave? Did the first wave actually end? Where did I miss this? I don't want to listen. I don't want to make light of it, but I'm just trying to figure out exactly the statistics.
It is very confusing, but here in BC, I know we are in our second wave.
It's the second wave in Canada. Yes, I get that.
All right, let's end with some positive news. Yeah. The Ford Motor Company, easy for me to say, has had a strong summer for sales. Pickup trucks, particularly.
Ford F-150 pickup trucks. General Motors saw the same thing. So, we talk about the falling price for oil. That's going to lead to lower gas prices. That's going to fuel these sales going forward. And yet, all these companies are shifting to electric vehicle production. So something's going to happen there to make those more affordable or in demand for consumers. That's a huge bet by the automakers. I don't want to underplay that at all. Incidentally, the markets are up. Stocks plunged early, back up this morning, and over the course of this week, it's been a mess for investors, and a lot of that, of course, all of a sudden, everybody on the market woke up to the fact that, COVID-19 is still out there, and a big risk.
All right, Mike, thanks as always. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Thank you.
7:28 now here on Breakfast Television. U.S. President Donald Trump